Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. So LINK continues to be in the same range in which it has been trading for nearly a year now. So there is just this tendency of LINK to max out here the range for the last 4 to 5 months. It's just been moving sort of in the lower region of the range. I would assume it will not take too long until we get back to the upper range. It really needs that breakout above 950 to really indicate in which direction it's going. It really needs that break, either above 950 or below 530, because until then we're just moving in the range. And of course, in terms of trading, it's of course possible to trade the range extremes. We talked about that. We did that here. We highlighted several trend reversal areas here recently. Most of them did hold on the LINK chart. We've just had two here most recently, this one and this one. They both worked on the long side. The thing is, I am not comfortable counting this already the third wave. We've got the orange wave count here on the chart, which is the rather bullish one, where we are counting, don't worry, where we're counting the move up here of the December lows as a wave 1, then here an ABC structure in a wave 2, and we could now be in this third wave, right? But problem with that is the move up of the 10th of March lows is not entirely impulsive. What I would count as impulsive is this move between the 10th of March and the 14th. This here currently is just an overlapping mess, so I cannot rule out that we come down lower again. Either way, we did hold our two trend reversal areas. They would have been two possible profitable trades, but we've now moved into resistance. The white count here is the bearish count. They are both very likely, and the problem is because LINK is in the range, these two counts have a very, very similar probability. They are both fairly likely. It just depends on which path the chart takes in terms of breaking out of the range, which direction. Because of the choppy nature of the advance here, I would not rule out that this is just the wave 2 pullback in a larger wave 3 to the downside. So the bearish count, again, wave 1 to the downside, wave 2 to the upside, wave 3 to the downside, wave 4 up, wave 5 down. And then in the third wave here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's sort of the situation at the moment. And I did highlight to you before that if we get this wave 2 pullback, it should stay below 788. Let me just double check the validity of the resistance area. It is certainly the key resistance that is relevant for the wave 2. A sustained break above 788 might hint that something else is going on. It's not the wave 2 pullback. It's probably something more bullish, because a wave 2 would normally not retrace more than the 78.6 retrace. Okay, so that's the situation we're in. I mean, at the moment, both support areas did hold. I always think, you can see you can make profitable trades even in a sideways range here. Even if you have two counts with a similar probability, one bullish, one bearish, you can find entries here, as we've demonstrated. It's just that so far it's not a very exciting chart, is it? So I still have my grid bot running here. It is trading that range because I just need to make sure that the grid bot doesn't get bored by this price action. But these are the relevant levels. Let's say the bullish count is going to work out and we actually are here in the third wave to the upside. What would be the target? So we can find it out by measuring the length of the wave 1. We go to the low of the wave 2. The target for the third wave would be $9.80. So it should take us actually above that 950 breakout point. So let's see. I mean, it's always good to get a sustained break though. Okay. Yeah, that's the situation. I mean, I would say, let me zoom in once more. So again, in the very short term, if we come down from here and then break below the orange support area, which was working out recently, let me just, So if we break below 663, 664, 663, then that would indicate that we already are in this third wave. Yeah, but I will keep it, we keep it level by level. This is really the lower time frame count that can change very often. If you see a strong rejection from this resistance area, we can be looking more towards emphasizing the white wave count, but eventually, really to confirm it, it really needs a break below the 641 level and a follow through below 590, and then we can look at getting into this sort of $3 to $4 range. Yeah, unfortunately a bit of a boring movement here, but the grid bot likes it. And then, yeah, other than that, I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.